On this vlog, we're going to be showing you the basement project. Yes, if you remember, just a few short weeks ago, we was here where everything was literally open plan. You could just see steel beams. Now we've got to the next stage. We've just made a new chamber here. If you remember last time, we had a stud wall up here made out of timber, but we've already boarded up the floor. Look how big this room is. So this is where all of your washing and drying is going to be done. This actually went viral on social media purely because no one's seen any sort of bolt work like this done. This is where all the excitement happens. Wow, check this out. Last time we was here, this was all open plan, but you can see how much space is created down here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your favorite property channel. We show you all of the renovations that other people don't. And you know what? On this vlog, we're going to be showing you the basement project. Yes, if you remember, just a few short weeks ago, we was here where everything was literally open plan. You could just see steel beams. Now we've got to the next stage where we've already started putting the floor down, and you can start to see this basement becoming a room. And yes, we're not finished to the final finale yet, but we want to show you in all stages how fast we work, what structures look like, so you get a good idea before you start your next project. So join us on this vlog. And before we go any further, if you want to see more videos like this, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss another video. So come through. So before we go in here, we've just made a new chamber here. We've made a new manhole, which is made out of plastic, but it's got some clay fittings that go into the original bricked manhole. That is a very, very important point because it means that's where all your waste is going. There's no point doing an extension if you don't know where all of your waste is going. Otherwise, this place would be getting flooded, and I swear to God, you wouldn't want to be there if that happened. If you remember last time, we had a stud wall up here made out of timber, but we've already boarded up the floor. This room is starting to take shape now. You can see we removed the chimney over there. We've got exposed beams, lovely high ceilings. Yeah, we're gonna have a wall here and a door coming into this room where you're gonna be having a lot of light come in here, and this is gonna be a usable living room space. So as we come here, you're gonna see a temporary stairway, but before that, you can see this is how the builders work. They've got all of their plans up here, and if you look at this architect drawing, you can see the lower ground floor, the first floor, above that floor, and then you can see the two loft extensions right at the top. So this is what you follow to have as a guideline to know what you're doing consistently, because you'll have all sorts of workers on here. As you come through here, guys, we're actually going to have another toilet here where you're going to be able to come here and use as a cloakroom, and through here we're going to have a utility room. So this is where all of your washing and drying is going to be done. We've got a natural light well here. This is so, I'll show you in a minute, where natural light can be going all the way down, and we can also service that area where if there is any condensation or any water, it can be all pumped out through this side here. If you remember last time, we done this sort of goalpost RSJ with that crank sort of looking RSJ this side. This actually went viral on social media purely because no one's seen any sort of bolt work like this done. But yes, it does exist. So we've got massive lighting coming through here where we're gonna have bifolding doors, which is gonna allow a lot of light in, and that's so important. Why? Because we're in the heart of the home. This is where the kitchen's gonna be. So when you're cooking, you're gonna be able to have a lot of light coming in and good ventilation as well. So here's from another angle. I wanted to show you from this point of view. Look how big this room is. We're gonna have a massive kitchen here, a nice little island here, a lot of light coming from this side as well, the utility room over there, the little cloakroom. Just check this space out. I mean, we've done extra extensions out here, extra extensions below, and that's what we really wanna see, right? You wanna come downstairs, so come follow me. So this is where all the excitement happens. Wow, check this out. Last time we was here, this was all open plan. Hopefully the editor slashes that in right now. But you can see how much space is created down here. We've got over 90 square meters of space. Now, this is where the new stairs are going to go. They're gonna be proper stairs. We're gonna have a stud wall up here and here. So we're gonna have a door coming out here because fire safety is very, very important. If there's a fire, how do you stop it from going any further? If you come through here, guys, we're gonna be having a gym area around the back. And from this side, you're gonna have another living area with a nice bookshelf this side, you know, a nice little pool table, a games room when your friends come around. This is how you add value with that floor space to your property. This property is actually in a really prestige area. So that matters a lot. You might be spending money on building work, but it increases the value of your property because of the size of it. Something that's really important, when you're doing underground extensions, it's very important to get the damp proofing right. So we're actually going to be having a Type C waterproofing systems. That allows at least 8 millimeters of protection. And when the DPC comes up, it actually runs behind all of this vapor barrier. And you know that light well that I was talking about around here? Well, this is where it's still gonna be blocked up, and from that we're gonna have a pumping system which collects any bit of water. So there's gonna be a small sort of gutter running around. You won't be able to see it, but it all ends up in one place. And as soon as that senses that it's reached at a certain level, the pump starts working and starts taking any of that water, that vapor, that steam, anything out, so there's no dampness in here. And this light well is actually going to be designed with glass, so it's going to be really open plan, so you can let a lot of light in, because as you can imagine, being underground, sometimes it can be a little bit claustrophobic. So we want to let as much natural light in through any places possible. So yeah, it's going to be a gym room down here. It's a big usable space. It could be changed however they want it, but pool table over there, and it's just like ambience of space. We've got at least 2.3 meters of headroom here, so you're not going to feel cramped when you're down here, as you saw in the last vlog, which is just used for sort of a storage area. This is actually being for a usable area. Remember, we also done the RSJs here, so road steel joints, and this one was actually a goalpost one, but we've actually put another steel in between. These are bolted. Right at the back we've got some acros currently, and we are going to put a metal plate and bolt them into that new wall that we've created. So I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you think of this project. We're going to keep you updated week by week, so hopefully in a few weeks we'll come back to this project and show you exactly what this place is looking like. Hopefully we'll have plasterboards, it'll all be plastered, we'll have some nice flooring, and you can get an idea of what you can do in some of your spaces. And if you're looking at some reputable builders, guys, come and check out Torba, because we never leave a project. We've been in the market for a long time. We tell you honest truth. We want it right first time. So come and check us out, check our website out, and come and check any of our jobs out whenever you want. Leave us a comment, share this with somebody who wants to see it, smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.